Hello everyone. How I'm looking today? Am I looking perfect for a party? Yeah, I know I'm looking good. So, what's in a party? Beautiful people, good food, and lots of decoration. Because decoration is a very important part of every party, especially the birthday party. So, today, let's make something for a birthday party. But that's just my idea. You can make it for any celebration or just to make your wall look good. Because art is simple. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.
For this we need some cardboard rectangle pieces, thin ribbon. I have cut it in about 2 foot long, a pair of scissors, some brushes, acrylic paint, fancy wooden clips, black sketch pen and glue gun. We start by writing the name on a cardboard piece. I don't want alphabets in separate pieces, so I am overlapping the word so that they remain connected when I cut them. Here, the name tag is ready. Now I am writing happy birthday. And my writing work is complete. Time to fill the colors. I am doing it in blue, but you can use any color of your choice. Color inside the name. Use different colors for it. Cut all the words neatly. Join happy birthday with a small rectangle piece. Now paste the ribbon on the backside of the name at a proper distance.